Oh, and Karoga Intelligence Agency just donated $1, and we got kissing Dax. And we said, Karoga Intelligence Agency says, we have successfully infiltrated Target Alpha House with fleas. Do you want us to attack his house with something worse? Hail Karoga. Hail Birdo Prey. You want to take my bear? It's my bear. You threw it at me. It's mine.
Yeah.
No, don't throw it at me again. Son of a bitch. She took my bear. No, nothing worse for now. Karoga Intelligence Agency. Stand down. Mission accomplished. Ixnay on the snakes nay. Okay. Ixnay on the snakes nay. No. I think we've made our point. The cobras can go back to the zoo. That's an encoded message. Don't take it at face value. The cobras can go back to the zoo.